Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon wish list for your nonprofit organization. This is a fantastic way to allow supporters and donors to easily see what items your organization needs and purchase them directly, making the donation process seamless and transparent. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're using the account that's associated with your nonprofit or the one you want to manage the wish list from. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the option that says Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, locate and click on Create a List. This action will take you to the list creation page where you can set up your wish list. You'll notice that Amazon automatically creates a default list called Shopping List 1. We need to customize this for our nonprofit purposes. Click on the text where it says Shopping List 1 to select it, then delete it completely. Now type in a more appropriate name such as Nonprofit Wishlist or whatever title best represents your organization's needs. Once you've entered your desired name, click the Create button to proceed. Now that your list is created, look over to the right panel of the screen. You'll see three dotted lines, which is the menu icon for additional options. Click on these three dots, and from the menu that appears, select Manage List. This is where you'll configure all the important settings for your wish list. In the Manage List section, navigate to the Privacy setting. Right beside it, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select Public. This is a crucial step because making your list public allows anyone with the link to view it, which is essential for potential donors and supporters to see what items your nonprofit needs. Next, scroll down the page until you see a section for adding a description. Click in this field and enter a meaningful description that explains the purpose of your wish list. For example, you might write something like items for our shelter or supplies needed for community programs. This description helps donors understand exactly how their contributions will be used. Below the description, you'll need to select your shipping address. Click on the drop-down menu right beside the shipping address option and choose the address where you want the donated items to be delivered. This should typically be your organization's main office or facility address. Finally, once you've reviewed all your settings and made sure everything is correct, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Your nonprofit wish list is now live and ready to be shared with potential donors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.